So I have Misfire P0304, and I don't know if it's the coil or not, but I got two spark plugs per cylinder and a coil on top, and it's two 10mm bolts and a spark plug 15mm with an extension that I have to go way down into the block, and that doesn't look so great. So it says it's cylinder 4, and that's what cylinder 4 says. So I'm going to change it and see if it runs any better. And then I already changed over this coil was on cylinder number 2, and then I swapped 2 and 4 and see if it's the coil. So I'm replacing with Bosch spark plugs. These were Autolite. They did seem like they're running too lean, and I hope it's not the coil. I hope it's just the spark plugs.